speaking, President Reagan, he's sort of gone down in history